Hi children, come to the next topic, associative property of and. We have seen our closure property. In that closure property, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next we have known about the commutative property. In that we have seen commutative property of add, subtract, multiply and divide. Now we are going to move to the third property, associative property. In that associative property also we have four algorithms: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In that first we have to move associative property of addition. Associative property of add. Associative property, we have seen the commutative property having the two fraction terms, but here in associative property we have got three fraction number. We consider the fraction three numbers are a upon b, c upon d and e upon f. This side also a upon b, c upon d, e upon f. This is the common form of a associative property. If it is add means we have to write plus. Okay, see, both LHS and RHS is equal. Then why we want to find both the terms? If we find the one term is equal to the next term. Now here the difference is we have to write the bracket for last two terms. Here we have to write the bracket for first two terms. So a upon b plus c upon d plus e upon f is equal to a upon b plus c upon d plus e upon f. Okay, now let us solve. Let we have the a upon b 2 by 3 plus c upon d 5 by 3 plus e upon f 7 by 3. Any number you have to consider. This side same, a upon b is 2 by 3 plus c upon d is 5 by 3 plus e upon f is 7 by 3. But only the bracket terms are different. Why we want to write the bracket, miss? Let us see for what reason we have written the bracket here. 2 by 3. While writing the bracket, we have to solve that bracket term first. After that, we have to solve with the non-bracket term. Let us simplify the bracket term first. 3, the denominator is same, so no need to take any LCM. 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 is equal to, here also 3, the denominator is same, so write the numerator 2 plus 5 plus 7 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 5 plus 7, 12 by 3. Now I hope you understand why we have written the bracket. Here 2 plus 5, 7 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Now again simplify these two terms. 3 are common term. 2 plus 12, 14 by 3. 3 are common term. 7 plus 7, 14 by 3. Both LHS and RHS is equal and we have got one numerator and one denominator. So it is a fraction numbers too. Now here associative property of add is satisfied because both LHS and RHS are equal. Let us solve associative property of subtraction. The same term what we did in add. 3 fraction term a upon b, c upon d, e upon f is equal to a upon b, c upon d, e upon f. Subtraction means minus, 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 minus. Associative property means we have to put the bracket first here, after that here. That is the difference between both LHS and RHS. Okay, let us have our a upon b as 2 by 3 minus c upon d as 5 by 3 minus e upon f as 7 by 3. Here also 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 minus 7 by 3. What is the purpose of a bracket? Purpose of a bracket, first we have to simplify the bracket term. After that we have to simplify with the non-bracket term. So write non-bracket term 2 by 3 as it is minus here 3 the common term, so 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7, one term is positive and one term is negative. Here what we have to do, we have to subtract both the term because one is positive term and other one is negative term. While doing the subtraction we have got 2. 7 minus 5, 2. After that we have to write the greater number symbol. Which is the greater number? 7 is the greater number. What is the symbol of 7? Minus. So minus 2 by 3. Here also the denominators are same, so write 3. 2 minus 5. One term is positive and one term is negative. While subtraction we have to write the greater number. Greater number is 5. So greater number symbol is minus. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus 7 by 3. Next we have to solve with the non-bracket term. 3 same. 2 minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 3 is here, so 3 same, so write 3 minus 7. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4 by 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 7 minus 10 by 3. 4 by 3 and minus 10 by 3, both are equal? No, both are not equal. So in associative property of subtraction is not satisfied because both LHS is not equal to RHS.